It is important to know the difference between organizational structures because it will help you in writing your resume. Let's take a quick look at how you can customize your resume for the different organizational structures. When you're applying for a job at a company that uses the traditional organizational structure, in addition to presenting your technical skills and experience, consider elaborating on how you're able to work on your own and manage your time effectively from project start to close. Any areas of specialization and relevant skills you have that the employer should know about. Your experience in solving problems at past organizations. Your commitment to organizational policies, processes, and standards. Your loyalty to past organizations. And any experience that demonstrates your competence, innovativeness, and creativity. It's okay if you're not able to elaborate on all of these points. Simply consider this as a guideline to help you customize your resume for traditional organizational structures. Now, let's take a look at how you can customize your resume for a team organizational structure. Recruiters who are hiring for a team organization will look for any indication in your resume that you have the concrete experience and the soft skills that are important in the team organizational structure. In your resume, in addition to presenting your technical skills and experience, you should consider elaborating on your ability to work in teams, any experience you have that demonstrates specific cases where you made significant contributions to a project, the soft skills you possess, you'll remember these from a previous section in this video, and how you're able to work out any differences of opinion in order to continue project development. If you can elaborate on any of these points in your resume, you might have a greater chance of getting called for an interview.
Lastly, when you're applying for a job at a company that uses the matrix organizational structure, you could very well have the talent and skills that engineering employers are looking for. But any resume screening done in the application process could filter out your resume if you're not highlighting the right items. So what should you highlight in your resume if you're applying for a job at this type of company? In addition to highlighting your technical skills and experience, you should consider elaborating on any work experience that demonstrates your specialized expertise, your work experience in managing more than one project at a time and working in teams with varying skills and specializations, your ability to report to more than one manager while working on multiple projects. To reiterate, following these guidelines for crafting your resume won't guarantee a job for you with an engineering organization in Ontario. The point is that companies that use different organizational structures tend to focus on different attributes when they're hiring. You need to know the type of organization to which you're applying and how you can leverage your past experiences to increase your chances of success. Transferring from one organizational structure to another doesn't have to hinder your likelihood of securing employment.